Dah. 1, 2, 3. Lompat. 1, 2, 3. Lompat.
Hello guys, I am Nurin Nadira.
And I am Audrey Lona Michelle, and this is the beginning of our adventure trip.
Good morning guys, it's our first day of the Bromo trip and we are heading to Tumpak Sewu Waterfall.
Yeah, it's super early, around 6 a.m, but we're all ready to go. Today we'll be guided by our amazing tour guide, Mas Sinjan.
The best part, from Kalini Cottage, it only takes about 10 to 15 minutes to reach the waterfall.
Super close and convenient. And today we'll be visiting 3 different spots at Tumpak Sewu.
Let's go! Our first spot is the panorama of Tumpak Sewu.
From up here, we can see the waterfall from the top. The view is just stunning.
Yeah, of course, we took some photos and videos here before heading down.
To get to the bottom, we had to go down about 750 steps. The trail is not too steep, but there's some water along the way, so our shoes got a little wet.
So this is Tumpak Sewu Waterfalls, which means 1,000 waterfalls in Javanese. After exploring Tumpak Sewu, we continued our trekking to Telaga Biru.
For this watery trail, you need proper shoes because it's slippery. But once there, it's the perfect spot to relax.
Some of our friends chilled and soaked in the fresh waterfall water.
After that, we hopped on a motorbike on our way back up.
The ride cost only around 10,000 rupiah per motorbike. Totally worth it after that exhausting climb. The next night, we headed to Kawah Ijen, one of Indonesia's most famous volcanoes.
It is in East Java, known for 3 things: the blue fire, the massive acid lake, and the sulfur miners.
We left Dreamland Hotel 11:30 at night and drove 2 hours to Paltudin Base Camp.
The hike starts at 2 a.m, so you can catch the blue fire before sunrise.
The trail is about 4 kilometers uphill, taking between 1.5 and 2 hours.
And here it is, the legendary blue fire. It's sulfur gas igniting in the air. Rare, and Ijen is the most famous spot to see it.
A quick tip, the gas mask is essential and you will get it from your guide at the base camp.
In the next cinematic video, we will show you the largest highly acidic lake in the world.
At 2,799 meters above sea level, Kawah Ijen is one of Indonesia's most unique hikes. Our last location is Mount Bromo in East Java.
Famous for its epic sunrise views, dramatic landscapes, and vast desert, also known as Sea of Sand.
Our adventure started in the middle of the night, around 2 to 3 a.m.
We jumped into one of these classic 4x4 jeeps.
We arrived early, so we had our breakfast in one of the warungs before our hike.
We went to the first viewpoint at Mount Penanjakan to see the sunrise.
and there were already packed with people. When the sun finally rises, Mount Bromo, Mount Batu and Mount Semeru came into the view.
From the breathtaking sunrise to the vast desert plains, Mount Bromo is pure magic.
Mount Bromo, it's an unforgettable memories.
Nampak?